procrastinated. Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. We are headed to Facts this weekend, which is kind of like Comic-Con or Fan Expo. I was going to make an outfit. Did I make an outfit? No. Is it in 2 days? Yes. After scouring the internet, I want to go as Lara Croft. And I think it's a really good outfit to do because I have some similar pieces of her wardrobe already in my closet. Careful, Oliver. Literally does not care. There are also a couple pieces of the outfit that I think I'm going to have to get on Amazon, and I need to get 1-day shipping. So I think let's do that first. We're gonna go to my Pinterest board so I can show you what I saved for facts. Don't worry about all the Leon stuff, that's for my husband. I found this 1940s style, which I really love, but we're not gonna do that. I also didn't realize that Lara Croft can sometimes be wearing a shirt. I have a shirt that is like this. One of the other main components of the outfit is the boots. I'm not seeing a lot of knee-high boots. Is this Lara Croft? I haven't seen that outfit before. Okay, she has knee-high boots there, but I don't have the coat to match. Oh, wait, okay, I have a baggy version of this coat, but the whole thing about Lara Croft is that she wears very tight clothing, and it's still a bit chilly, so we're not gonna do the atypical skimpy outfit. I also tried a bow. My husband has a practice bow for adults. It's huge. It's not something I really want to carry around an expo fair. The other thing I'm worried about is weaponry, because she's got a lot of weapons and I don't want to not be allowed into the expo. I think what I'm gonna do is get some rope and maybe get the gun holster without the gun. I also want to get a lot of like gauze to wrap around my arms, and we're gonna get some fake blood as well. I'm thinking more this style. This might be the thing I can recreate the best. Okay, I did already look for a couple of things. I found this rope that I think would do well. Next, I have some gauze here. It's actually cheesecloth. We'll fray it a little bit. I'm also going to order some coagulated blood. Now, if this does what I think it does. Oh no, is it no longer Prime? Oh, it is. No. Oh, Tuesday with crust. Ew. It's gonna be crusty blood. I'm ordering crusty blood online. Ugh. The crust was falling off directly. Good. And it arrives tomorrow. And the last thing I want to look for is maybe a fake walkie-talkie, like a little kid's one. Oh, but a real one would be super cool because then I could talk to my husband from across the room. I just wanted to see. The walkie-talkie's extra. What we're going for is quick, convenient Elsa. Lastly, I think I was gonna look for the gunslinger thing. Gun holster. And I think, yeah, she has leather. Ooh, this one would work, I think. I'm going to get the holster that we saw. Look at this one. It's a water gun. I'm gonna have so much fun with this! Oh, this would be cool, but it's not gonna arrive in time. Oh, this one's so cool. I'm getting that. You can buy a whip. Should I buy a whip? Top choice for whip lovers. Okay, we're not going down that road. We found our items. Hopefully they arrive tomorrow as they say they will. Okay, let's go. Oliver, you can't come with me. No. Goodbye. So sad. Shoes are down here. I forgot I had these. This might be the best option, actually. They look the most similar. Other option is these ones, but they have sort of gold accents on them. And then coat was another big thing. I have several coat options.
You don't say!
This is quite a long leathery trench. I also have this trench. I have this. This is quite rugged. This might be one of the best options. It is the morning of. We have our packages. Let's make sure everything arrived. Okay, we've got our fake blood. Yes, cheesecloth, all right. And if I don't use all of them, maybe I can send them to my stepdad. He loves cheese. This is as big as I hoped it would be.
That's what she said.
This is what makes the outfit, really. I don't even want to undo it. It looks so nicely put together. My side harness. Oh no. No! Wait. It does come with the strap. Whew, that was a close one, considering it's the morning of! And our gun holster. Adult faux leather single holster with belt. Okay, so it's not a man size. That's what I was worried about. On the ad it said, for man. I'm no man. Why do they make these so difficult to get open? I'm not a child. Oh, I was trying to be careful, just in case I don't use it and need to return it, and I've just destroyed the packaging. That is a massive belt. I hope it's for more than just man.
Are you inviting friends over in there? Or?
Oh no. By the way, how much time do we have? Okay. This is for my face. Okay. Well, it's his now. Yep. Let's go get dressed. Okay, guys, here is the spread.
Wow.
We've got our accessories, a couple coats to pick out from, tank tops, long sleeve tops, Henley, polo, a couple hat options, the only belt I have that I thought would actually work for this outfit, and below we have our shoe options, pant options, and accessories. I actually have a lot more Lara Croft adjacent clothing than I thought. I already decided these would be the best pants for the outfit because they're my only cargo pants.
Pants. We're gonna try this one because I already have a hole in this shirt and we're gonna make it dirty and bloody. These pants are quite baggy, so I think I know what shoes I have to go with. But first, we're gonna do another layer. It's a bit of a colder day, which is why the best thing to do is go with a heavy coat. The only problem is with the bloody rags that I made. I don't know where I'm gonna be able to put those on. I can't just wrap one around my head, that would look a little strange. Now we're putting our boots on, which I think is going to give a really nice effect for these baggy cargo pants. What do we think? We like that? Okay, now Lara Croft has a lot of accessories, so we're gonna use this stuff. I'm gonna use a leather watch.
a random assortment of jewelry. I think I'm gonna go with this one and this one. Okay, so this isn't something she has, but I got this and I thought it was gonna be a really good idea to have some sort of storage. This is so cool. Yes, we're putting another belt on top of all of this. I hope this one fits. This one doesn't look like it's gonna fit. My God. Jesus. This goes below my butt. And then our gun holster. How does this go on here? Oh. Is that supposed to be my leg? It's a rope time. I gotta fix my hair because this is not giving Lara Croft. She's always got those two little pieces of hair. We're also gonna do some fake blood on the face. I think like a gash might be kind of cool. Maybe a forehead one too. And of course my homemade mixture of mud.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
That's not mud. We're gonna beauty blot mud onto our face. I look like I have coffee grounds on me. I think we're gonna scrap the mud. I just remembered, we still have gauze. We're gonna wrap it around our thigh, I think. Also, they're still wet, by the way. Maybe I should do my arm instead. Oh, and the other two are still quite fresh bloody, and I didn't want to stain my clothing. I was really excited to take the gun with this outfit, but according to the Facts website, we're not allowed to take in anything that even resembles a gun. So the gun with the orange tip on it, not allowed. Here's the outfit. Oh no! The rope really pulls it together. I added a little bruise as well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I wish the cheesecloth turned out. I wish it wasn't as wet. Last minute costume put together. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna go to Facts now. Bye!
Oh, what's your cosplay? Just goth.
No, show us your sword. They're so orange.
Them a round of applause. Slayer.
Like action poses or something. That's not cringe at all.
We just got back from Facts. It was a lot of fun. There was a lot of cool stalls there. I got to meet Eric Winter, Tim Bradford from The Rookie. He was pretty down to earth, pretty chill guy. It was just really cool seeing all the outfits and things people had crafted together. Like, this is a totally last minute put together outfit, but some people had really elaborate, awesome costumes. Oh, and there was an R2-D2 parade. So cool. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more, I do sewing, fashion content, other stuff. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.